credit card with guaranteed approval. Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this very important video, we are going to give you a very important review of a credit card which can give you $20,000 with no credit check. You remember, this is indeed one of those credit cards that you can get approved with no impact to your credit score. We are going to give you step-by-step guide. Remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Here is the credit card that we all have been waiting for, and this is known as the X1 card. They call it the smartest credit card ever made. This is indeed one of the biggest claims in current time, and we are going to tell you why they are claiming this. And you know what? Well, if you haven't read this, then let us tell you. See if you are approved with no impact to your credit score. Remember, this is not pre-approval. They're saying see if you are approved with no impact to your credit score. There is no annual fee, best in class benefits and rewards, and 17 grams of stainless steel. We all have seen Apple Card. Believes us that this is actually heavier than Apple Card and much more good looking. Well, moving on, and let us tell you that why this card is best in class right now. Remember that they say an unrivaled experience. Your metal card number is only a tap away. Find any transactions with a quick and easy search. Get notified immediately about all your purchases. Points are awarded the minute you spend. Charged incorrectly, disputed in a few steps, and if you lost your card, you got a new one right in the app. They say you can take control with virtual cards as well. Master subscriptions and keep your details private with disposable card numbers. They say, well, right here as you can see, standard cards cancelled at any time, free trial cards auto cancelled in 24 hours, and single use card auto cancelled in one use. So you have the peace of mind that you can use this card, and if they want to charge you again, they will not be able to use your card again. And this is indeed a very big peace of mind. A different kind of credit card, what they mean by that? They say start spending immediately before your metal card arrives. Yes, most of the credit cards are doing it right now, such as Amex and Chase, and while a company like X1 is doing it, this is indeed a very big opportunity. As you can see that the credit limit right here shows $22,500. Well, the max that we have seen that is reported, that is $23,200, but well, that's why we stayed under the limit and we wrote $20,000. Your limit is based on current and future income, so it totally depends on your income. Well, you need to know how much interest you'll owe, if any, before making a payment. Well, remember, this is a very big opportunity. Well, unparalleled rewards on every purchase. So 2x points on every purchase regardless of category, 3x points on your entire gear if you spend $15,000, 4x, 5x, and even 10x points for every invited friends who gets a card. Remember that they have also a bar which allows you to see what you could earn. For example, if you spend $15,000, you're gonna get 3x points, $20,000 again 3x points, $25,000, how much? Well, it's going to be worth $750. So let us tell you one more time. If you spend $5,000, you're gonna get $100 worth of points back. $10,000, you'll get $200. $15,000, you'll get $450. $20,000, you will get $600. $25,000, you will get $750. 30,000 you'll get $900. 35,000 you'll get $1,050. And if you spend $40,000 you will get $1,200 back. Well, you can redeem points at brands you love, well, such as Apple, Beats, Best Buy, Bose, Masterclass, Nintendo, PlayStation, Sonos, Sony, Xbox, and much more. Remember, this is indeed a class credit card. Even more ways to earn points. Shop in the X1 app and earn up to 10x points at leading online stores, that's what they call it. Activate Boost on your every spending to earn more and more points. Designed with the entire family in mind. Add cardholder with no age restriction. There's no age restriction. You can get it for your child, your spouse, your parent, or any of your friend as well. Add cardholders with no age restrictions so everyone can build credit, and you can add up to 5 card holders. And you know what's the greatest thing about it? That everyone gets a card. Yeah, it doesn't matter how many people that you have in your family, everyone will get a card. Well, earning points together as well, as you can see, they have a chart right here which shows you how these points look like. As the primary card holder, effortlessly track family spending, set limits to avoid overspending, and turn off lost cards instantly if you have a family member that spends a lot of money without your permission. Peace of mind at home and abroad. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, no late fee. Love it. Benefits or perks? Well, cell phone protection, trip interruption reimbursement, purchase security, auto rental collision damage waiver, extended warranty protection, return protection, zero liability protection, Visa signature concierge service, travel and emergency assistance, and roadside dispatch as well. Remember, this is a credit card that you might need for your family right now. Well, you need to hear the metal. Well, they have it, and this is indeed a very classic thing. We are going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can go there and click on it, and you'll see it's a clicking sound, and it's so relaxing. Well, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and remember that if you get approved with no credit impact, and this is what it means when it comes to getting X1 credit card. Remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it. And please smash that like button, as it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. Again, if you have any questions, we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. So please let us know in the comments below if you have any query at all. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.